Stop being concerned about that little rumble in your stomach. You think you're hungry, but it's just your body burning that fat that you're carrying. When your stomach is empty, that fire turns on and it starts burning that fat while you're sleeping. But if you eat before bed, you're putting out that fire. Your body spends entire night digesting that food instead of healing itself. Embrace your hunger. It's just your calorie deficit working, and let it growl. Your body is working exactly how it's supposed to. So you don't really need to respond to that rumble in your stomach. Let it growl, let it cry. Don't feed it. If you also struggle with nighttime hunger or cravings, comment coach and I'll send you some natural solutions that will help you curb that hunger while supporting your fat burning goals. Bye.